Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, so please subscribe my channel, like and share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to click the bell icon for the future updates. Okay. So today I am going to explore one of the most important topics in Java, string concept. So why I am started this string concept? So most of the graduates and most of my friends and most of the recently graduated persons are asking me to do the videos on Java string concept. Because so if you are having if you don't have any experience, so you are going with a Java interview or any interview, so you know the Java concept. So then in every interview, we are having 2 to 3 or 2 to 10. So 2 to 10 or 10 interview questions on the string concept. Okay, so based on the interview point of view, so I started this series. So who are learning in the Java and who are attending the Java interview, so who can watch these string concepts as well as, and I will provide top 10 to 15 programs of Java, top 10 to 15 programs of Java using the string class, and you can practice as well, and you can tell two different logics in the interview. Okay, so this is the agenda. So let me quickly share my screen. Yeah, so I am sharing my screen here. So string is a sequence of characters here. Okay, the string is nothing but sequence of characters here. So it is actually an object of the string class, so which is present in the java.lang package. Okay, string is nothing but a class, not the data type. String is the class here. String, it is the class. So it is not the kind of where int, boolean and double. So these are all the primitive data types, right? So this the string is not like this kind of data types. The string, it is itself, it is called as the class, and it is present in the java.lang package. Okay, then so, and the string can be created by using two ways. So one is string literal, the other one is new keyword. So I will tell you the major difference using create the string literal and the new keyword. So let me explain the diagram, so then you can able to understand the things here. Okay, so then to intro.com. Yeah, so I will take the new slide here. Okay, so in Java backend, so this is the memory, and this is the, okay, so this is the heap memory, and this is the string constant pool area. String constant pool area. Okay, so for example, if I am creating string string s equals to hello. Okay, and I am creating the same string h equals to hello. So this is the way of creation of the literals. So using the literals. Okay, so what it will do, like when we are using the literals, so in the string constant pool area created this hello. Okay, hello. So the second time when I am creating the another string with the same content of the previous string, so it will, this is the S, right? So this is the S. Then it will assign the reference address with this H. So there is no another creation of the hello, because whenever we are using the string literal concept, first it will go to the memory string constant pool area. In the string constant pool area, is there anything present that this kind of string? What are the strings we are creating? So that string, it is presented or not? If presented, then what are all the this reference address location that will point out to this another variable. Okay, now this is the string constant pool. This is the string constant pool concept. So whenever we are using the string constant, whenever we are using the literal concept to create the strings, first it will check the string constant pool area. So if the string it is present, then it will assign the reference address of this particular to that particular variable name. And the other way, so the other way it is created like new keyword. For example, string s equals to new string. So new string of hello. Okay, so it will created in the, this is the string constant pool area. So whenever we are using the new keyword, it will create the object in the heap memory, not in the string constant pool area. So yes, this is the hello. Okay, so this is the difference between the, and if you are if you are creating again h with the new string hello, so then again it will create the hello here. Okay, so it will not pointing to this particular previous one. So in the string constant pool area, I mean using the literals, previously this hello, it will assign to two variables when we are using the s and h. Now here s and h, it was created in the heap memory. This heap memory will create the two different objects and two different addresses of this particular string here, because whenever we are using the new keyword, it will create the new object in the heap memory. So this is the difference between the string using the literals and the string using the new keyword. So whenever you are using the string literals, it will go this particular string constant pool area. If the string it is present, then it will assign the address of this particular location to that particular object. Otherwise, it will create the object. I mean, it will create the string in the heap area. So whenever we are using the new keyword here, in the new keyword, it will create the new object for every time. So this is the major difference of the string literal and string literal and using the new keyword. So then next I will open my IntelliJ. So I will explain the string methods today. Okay. So now you can able to understand the things. So the string means the sequence of characters. That's it. So one moment, I am opening my IntelliJ. And and one more thing here. One more thing I want to explain, like so the string is immutable. Why the string is immutable? Okay. Why this string is immutable, and every time why the string I mean why we can't modify the strings, because one for example, if we are using the string literal, so one location, one address of the particular object, it will assign to the multiple variable names, right? So if you are changing one object, it will affect on the multiple objects, right? So that's why we are not here. Let me let me so why the string is immutable, I will tell you. Okay. So here I created string constant pool area. So this is hello object. So this is hello string. So this string, it is s comma h comma r comma s. So these are all using this particular string here. Okay, if you change for this hello to hi for the requirement of yes, but it will it will affect, if it will affect on the h and r and s. Okay, this one object you are changing here, so this object will affect on the remaining objects here, right? So that's why string is immutable. So once the string is created, we can't modify. Okay, so this is the string concept I want to explain. So then I will each and every method in the string method, so I will explain each and every method. So let me create a new class here, new Java class. Okay, so this one I will under down. This one I will enter down, or where can I keep it here? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, so I am creating the class, those string practice. So I am creating just one class for string practice. Okay. And I am using the main method. So public static void main. Okay. So I am creating string str equals to hello world. Hello world. Okay. And string I am creating this is creation of the using literals. So using using literals. Okay. Then next I am creating string str one equals to new string of here hello world. Okay. Now, okay. So here I am comparing these two strings here. I am telling like if string str1 is double equals to str2. So whenever we are using this particular double equals comparator, so it will check the it will checks the address address location address location address location. Okay. So if this string hello world, it is stored in the string constant pool area, that is different memory. This string constant, this str1, it will stored in the heap memory. So this address location and this address location is different. So whenever we are asking, so whenever we are comparing this string str1 and str2, it will return false. Okay, let me execute this one. It will return false because the str1, it is placed in the different location. Str it is placed in different location. All right. So we are using the string literal. This will be stored in the, yes, now it is false. You can able to see, right? You can able to see. And one more thing. So then I will create this one more string here. String str3 equals to, I am just putting the hello world here. Hello world. Then I am comparing with system.out.println str is double equals to str3 or not. Because so here this is also literal, right? So this is also I am using the literal concept here. So this hello world and this str1 and this str3, it is pointing to the same location. So when I am comparing those two, it will return true. So let me execute again here. It will 100% returns true because these str and str3 are in the both same location. Now you can able to see, right? So this is the true. Okay. Okay. Now let me explain the Java string inbuilt methods here. Okay. Next time I explain in the concepts like, so string methods. Okay. So first method length method. Length 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 method. What does this length method? Returns the number of characters in the string here. For example, so hello, uh, yes equals to hello. Okay, so it will return the number like, so here 0 1 2 3 4 5. So these 1 second, 0 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, so it will return the length as the 5. Okay, the index will start from the 0. Okay. Okay, so the length of the character is it will return the length of the characters in the string. So let me, for example, system.out.println. So I am str dot. So I am asking the length of the hello world. Okay, so just I am running this thing here. One moment. So I am commenting this one. Okay, just I am running this one. Str dot length. What it will show, what it will done, I will tell you. So it will return the 11. Okay, now we can count it. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now 1, 2. Okay, so it will start from the 1. Okay, not the 0, I think. So it will returns the length, it will returns the character of the it will returns the number of characters in the string. Okay, next next method, for example, and one more example. So string, then string. Okay, then string str 4 equals to Java. So just Java. Okay. Again, I am finding the length of the system.out.println. So str4 dot length. Now again, I am executing here. It is 4. So it is count. The count it is count. It is started from 1. Now you got the point, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are having the 4 characters. 4 characters. So it will return the length as 4. Right? Then the next method I am explaining, like, one moment. The next method, caret at index. Okay, char at int index. Okay, int index. What this method will do, returns the character at the specified index. Okay, at the specified index. Okay, for example, string, here it is already Java. So whenever we are using the array concept, it will start from the 0. So here, let me, or yeah, so here, just control X here, control V here. Okay, so here str4 is Java. So I am finding like system.out.println. So str4 dot caret, I want the second index character. So here returns the character at the specified index. So I want the second character. Let me execute this one. So what this caret method does, like, returns the character at the specified index. Okay. So in 0, 1, 2. So whenever we are using the array concept, so j equals to 0, index will start from the 0, j equals to 0, j equals to 0, comma, and a equals to 1, comma, v equals to 2, comma, a equals to 3. Right? So if I want the character system.out.println str4 dot, I want the caret at the number 3. Okay. So again, I can print the, it will return the a here. It will return the a in the output console. You can able to see that it will return the a. If you are providing more than 3, if you are providing the 4 is not available in the string. I mean, it is array index out of bound. I mean, so you are passing the value, but this index, it is not available in the string, so it will throw the error. So that I will show you with you. Okay. So whenever you are getting this array index of out, yeah. So index 4 out bonds for the length, out 4 out of the bonds for the index out. Okay. So this is the string index of bound exception. Right? So because why this exception is the fourth character is not available in the string. Okay, so then next method, concat. Okay, concatenate method is like, it is concating the strings. Concat string, yes, concatenate the string here. Okay, for example, already str4 is there. So then yes, string str5 equals to, I am adding the str5 as Python. Okay, I'm just adding the Python. Then I am concatenating system.out.println, and I am printing like, so str4 dot concatenate of str5 str5. So it will print the Java Python. Okay, it will print the Java Python. So let me execute it one. Okay, let me execute this one. So I am closing this error message. Okay, yes, I need to close this one. Yeah. So I am executing this one. So it will concatenate the two strings here. So Java with Python. This concat, yes, Java Python. So it will concatenate the two strings. I mean, it was adding the two strings. It was adding the two strings here. Okay, so then next method, what is the next method? Equals method. Next method. So most of the interviews asking like what is equals method? Okay, what is equals method? And difference between equals method and double equals. Double equal. Okay, double equals. Okay. So double equals. I mean this one. So equals method it is different, and this double equals it is different. Okay, comparator. Okay. So equals method, what does it like? Compare the two strings for content equality. Content equality. So content means, for example, this string. One moment. Control X, Control V. So the string Control X and Control V. So I am just commenting this one. Okay. So equals method, it will validate the it will checking the both strings are having the same content in the sense. So string str5 also need having the Java, then only it will return true, otherwise it will not follow. So the equals method which compare the content of the string. For example, let me print this one. System.out.println. So str4 dot equals with str5. I am asking like str4 is equals to str5. Okay, so it will definitely return false. Why? Because these both strings are not same, right? So why it will throw the true? So it will definitely throw the false. Let me execute it one. So it will definitely throw the false. Why false? The str4 it is different string, str5 it is different string. It is showing the false. So if you want to make it is true, then create one more string. So string str6 equal to just write as Java. Okay, write it as Java. Then again compare system.out.println. So str4 is equals to str6. Okay, str6. Now try to execute it. It will return the true because this Java. One moment. I think it is expected. Okay. Okay. I need to end the semicolon. Yeah, it is showing the true here. Why it is giving the true here? Because the string str4 it is having the Java, and the string str6 is Java. The content is same. The content it is same. The equals method will returns the true. The content is not the same. The equals method it will not return the true. It will return the false. The next method the next method after equals method, the next method is like what is that? Next method equals ignore case. Okay. Uh, One moment. Equals ignore case. Here tell that particular thing here. So system.out.println. Here, for example, Java. So this I am putting as the Java. I am putting the capital J. But whenever you are using the equals method, it will throw the false because here you are using the here you are using the capital J, and here in the content this you are using the small j here, right? So capital J it is not equal to small j. Okay, in the equals point of view. But when we are using the str4 dot equals ignore case str6 here, then it will definitely return the true because it will not it will not taking any it will not it will ignore the case sensitive. It either it is small, either it is either it is big. It doesn't matter for this equals ignore case. It will return the true. Let me execute it and I will show you. Yes, right. Equals ignore case, it is giving the true. But in the equals method, string str4 is equal to str6. It is written as false. Why? Because small j and capital J. So this is the problem. So and this is the equals ignore case method. Okay. Then next method is like um here. Let me add one more thing here. Just I am providing the hello. Okay, hello Java. Next I am explaining the method like character. Okay, contains. So contains method here char sequence of string. Okay, so here checks if the string contains the specified sequence. Okay, what does this method like? Check if the string contains the specified sequence. The specified sequence it is there or not. For example, string str string 4 here hello Java. Now system.out.println here. So here so str4 dot contains character sequence like hello. So it will return true. Why it is return true? Like this contains sequence of characters, it is available in the string hello str4, right? So just execute this one. Now you can able to understand the things here. It will return the true. Definitely it will return yes. Now you can able to see, right? So it was returning the true here. And one more thing, so if for example system.out.println, so str4 is contains, so I am giving some random string here. Okay, it is not contained in the given string. It will return the definitely it will return the false. Okay, it needs to be false. Now execute one more time. The hello it is true, and this is not available in the particular string, so it will give you the false here. Okay, then next method is starts with and ends with. So the method itself starts with and ends with. Starts with comma ends with. Okay, so here for system.out.println, let me system.out.println. So str4 starts with hello, hello, hello. Starts with method like, so this will check if the string starts of the prefix in the given string. So because this hello Java, it is starts with hello only. So it will return the true here, Boolean. So it will return the true here. Let me run again. Definitely it will return the true here. Yes, it is true here, right? For example, if I starts with I am giving some uh, random one, it will definitely give the false. Ends with, it will checking the string. Yes, definitely giving the false here. Okay. The same way work will also the ends with str4 dot ends with the string is ends with this one. The string is ends with the Java. Okay. The string it is ends with the Java. So I am providing some unwanted thing here. It will return the false here. Okay. Let me execute here. It will definitely return the false here. Yes. So because the str4 it is ending with the Java, but I am providing the string like it is not available in the string. So that's why it is throwing the false. Okay. Then uppercase comma lowercase. So uppercase, lowercase. So you can see the method itself, and you can able to understand the things here. So system dot out dot println. So just system dot out dot println. So str4 dot just to uppercase. That's it. Okay. It will system dot out dot println str4 dot to lowercase to uppercase. Okay. Now let me execute it. So the string first it is converted into the lowercase. Okay, then execute it. Yes, first it is converted into the uppercase. Hello Java. Then the second one is hello Java. This is the lowercase. Okay. Next, one more concept like trim method. Trim method. So trim. So trim method. What does this trim method doing like? It was, it was, it was removing the spaces from the leading and leading and trailing in the sense if this is a string, for example, this is the string. Okay, one moment, I will show you. Hello. Yes. Okay. So this leading and trailing. So this is so before spaces and after spaces you can able to see, right? So this is this space. This is the leading space and this is the trailing space. So if you want to remove these spaces, then we can use our trim method. For example, here string. Okay, then create one more string str7 equals to, so I am providing the string like, so here 1 2 3 3, I'm giving some random kind of things, and here I am providing uh, spaces, begin the string and end the string. So if you want to remove this string or remove those spaces, then system dot out dot println str7 dot trim. What does this trim will do like? Okay, what does this trim like? It will remove these spaces and it will print the exact string. So let me execute it. Okay, let me execute it. You can able to understand the things here. Okay, now yes. Okay, so there is no space before sd, there is no space after bn, right? So our string, it is having the spaces, but when we are using the trim method, this trim method, it was removing the particular spaces here. Okay, then replace. So I am then replace method, replace with old character. Okay, old character to new character, new character. So this is the replace method. So we can replace one character with the another character in the given string. For example, system dot out dot println. So str7 dot replace, I want the character like, for example, yes, I want the character of yes, I need to replace with the, so I am giving some special character, this one. Okay, so then it will replaces the string with the whenever the s is there, then it will replace this character. So let me execute it and show it with you. Yes, now you are able to see, right? So this will create the, okay, then I will add the trim also, trim. One moment, I think we can dot here, dot trim. Okay, now just I am executing again. So now you are able to see that exact difference. So old character with the new character. Now wherever the yes is there, the special character is replaced. Wherever the yes is there, wherever the s is there, the special character is replaced with this particular character. So this is the replace method. Next, index of method. index of method, it is giving the first occurrence of the index. Okay, index of method is also very important method when you are writing the occurrences of the things, and so it will gives the first occurrences. Okay, last index means it will give the last occurrence. For example, string. Okay, now string str 8 equals to I am giving the as hello. Okay, now I will print the int index system.out.println. So str 8 dot index of I am giving the L here. So L here, then one more method is the last index of. So it will return the last occurrence. Then again, one moment, we are going to give it a character, right? So this is I am giving the L here. Then again, I am printing the one more method here, str 8 dot last index of L. Okay, so here let me explain so for h equals to 0. Okay, h equals to 0, h equals to 0, then e equals to 1 comma L వచ్చేసి 2 comma, and the one more L is 3, and O is 4, right? So first it will give the two with us, because the first occurrence of the L is 2, the last occurrence of the L is 3. So it will print the 2, and this one is will print the 3. So let me execute it, then you can able to understand the things here, right? So this is the first occurrence of the L character. It is 2. The second of the L character, the last index of the L character, it is 3. So this is the last occurrence, this is the first occurrence. Okay, then the split method. Okay, split method. Next time I explain the concept like split method. Split. What does the split will do? Okay, it will splitting the string here. For example, string str9 equals to. So I am providing some hello law or AWS DevOps 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 comma DevOps AWS DevOps comma, so Java comma Python. So Python. Okay. So if I want to split this string, okay, if I want to split this string, so first I need to create the string array. So string array of str10 equals to str dot split. So I am splitting using the comma. Okay. Then again I am taking the for each loop here. For each, okay, for each string. Okay, string yes, I am storing into this particular str10 here. Okay, system.out.println yes here. Now let me execute these things. You can able to understand the things here. One moment, I think string yes is already there. String n. Now just I'm running here. One moment, it is taking why it is taking like this one. So I will split with the comma. So DevOps, I think the spaces is there, so that's why it is not taking the properly. One moment. So I'm setting only comma, right? So now just execute it. But it is not printing. I think here I'm creating the string array. So I'm just providing this array, right? Array. Here str not dot nine I need to give here, right? So that's why it is not. I'm giving str. So that's why it is thing. It was not giving the things with us. Now it will execute it. Okay. So this is the AWS. This is the DevOps. This is the Java. This is the Python. Okay. Now it was splitting the using the this using the comma. So it was splitting our elements words, and it was storing in this particular this character array. Then I am printing one by one here. So AWS, DevOps, Java, Python. It is already there. Okay, this is the split method. And one more, the latest asking the latest method is empty, comma, is blank. So if someone is asking with you, what is the difference between the is empty and blank? For example, string g equals to, so okay, so just give the semicolon. So in this string g, so nothing is there. So then system.out.println, so g dot is empty. So I am asking like g is empty, it will return the true. It will return the true because in this g there is nothing is there, with the space is also not there, so it is giving the true here. So if I am providing with this two spaces here or two spaces here, now again I execute it here, is empty, it will return the false because it is having the spaces. Now you are able to see, right? This is the false. Before it is going the true, but now it is throwing the false. Why false? Because sorry. So here it is having the spaces. Okay. Now let me execute it. It was showing the false, right? The same way, system.out.println. So G is blank. G is blank. G is blank. It will return the true because it will not consider the spaces. G it will return the true. Yes, now it is written the true. So this is the difference between the is blank and is empty. Empty means there is no space included in the string. Only there is no space, that there is nothing in the string. Then the empty will be written the true. Blank is ignoring the spaces. Ignoring the spaces. Then it will return the true. So this is the concept I want to explain today. Okay, so now you can able to understand the things here, like the string we are the string. So here I'm creating the string hello world. The length function, it will return the length of the string. Okay, so the next equals method, it will compare the strings content in the strings. Okay, the contents, the character is content or not, starts with the string or not, ends with the string or not. Okay, trim method, so removing the spaces, unwanted spaces from the before and trailing. Okay, session.out.println. So next split method. So we are splitting the method. We are splitting the words by using the special commas or whatever you want. Okay, is empty and is blank. So these are all the string methods. So you can explore the things. So this is the string concept I want to explain. So everyone can practice it and do it the things. Okay. Okay. So thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you very so much here. Thank you so much. And so please subscribe my channel. So who are all learning the Java newly, and they are going to any Sting interview, they are going to any Java interview. So you can refer these videos, and you can easily tell to answer the answers to the interviewers.